Hello Momshies, today we'll be making soft baked cookies with different flavors. So here it goes, just watch the process. Ingredients will be posted here. In a bowl, mix room temp butter with hand mixer. Add gradually the white sugar, then followed by brown sugar. Mix it until combined. If the ingredients are already blended, you can now add the sifted flour. Mix in the flour only until they are blended. Use a hand mixer or a stand mixer and do not overmix it because you do not want a hard or a tough cookies. Add the vanilla extract, baking powder, salt, and cornstarch. Then, add gradually the 4 eggs and mix it with your hand mixer. I made 4 different flavors with the same dough, so I separate it in 4 bowls. Spread cooking oil in a sheet pan and place our parchment paper and get ready for our cookie dough to bake. In our first bowl, I just add candy sprinkles for our first flavor. It depends on you how many or how much you will add your candy sprinkles to your cookie dough. The second flavor is peanut butter cookie. So I just added 2 to 3 scoops of peanut butter. And I also add 2 scoops of walnuts and cashew nuts. Then our third flavor is double chocolate cookie, which I added cocoa powder and some chocolate chips. I also sifted the cocoa powder and then mixed it to combine. You need to measure at least 1/4 cup cookie butter per cookie. You cannot make soft baked cookies with very little cookie dough. So I use an ice cream scooper to make it uniform. Bake at a high temperature for a short period of time. 400 Fahrenheit, between 13 to 18 minutes, depending on your oven and the size of your cookies. Use a double pan so the bottoms of the cookies will not burn. After baking, let it cool in a cooling rack. This is the candy flavored cookies. Now, let's bake the peanut butter cookie flavored with walnuts and cashew nuts. So nice to look at. Our third flavor cookie is the double chocolate cookie with chocolate chips and some chopped chocolates. Our fourth and last cookie flavor is a regular chocolate chip cookies. And this is my most favorite cookie flavor among the four. And these are my homemade soft baked cookie recipe with 4 different flavors. This is perfect for your party events at home or this upcoming Christmas occasions. So yummy, and thank you for watching. Follow for more.